it. I just upgraded my gadget, you guys. I want to share with you all what I have gotten to take my content creation from 0 to 100. Oh, I upgraded my gadgets. Can you see the backlights? Yes. So first of all, I want to show you guys all what I've gotten to upgrade my content creation journey. I'm so excited to share this with you. So first thing I've gotten to spice up my content is this mic you can see over here. So this is the K95 mic. It's actually very good for vlogging. And you guys, did you notice that the lightning is different? Oh yes. This first of all is a K95 mic. It is very aesthetic. I like that it has this 4 on it. And when you open it, it is a two-in-one mic. It's actually a two-in-one mic. The audio sounds much better. So let me unplug it so you guys can hear how I sound without the audio. So hi guys, can you hear? So this is the difference. So I was using this one before. I decided to get this one, and it's actually very, very, very nice. And now we are back. Can you see the difference? So this is one of the lights I actually got. I do love this light a lot. It's actually very nice on me, and I use it as a background light, mini influencer light. So I got this one. This one is the ST120. So let's check it. It's actually really, really bright. It comes with a holder. You can attach this to your tripod. It comes with a cord. And it comes with different films that you can attach to it. So let's test the brightness, you guys. So I put it on. That's the lowest. This is the highest. Ooh. Guys, you see, lightning. Lightning is like can take your content from a 0 to like 100. Like when you have enough light in your videos, your contents are going to be aesthetic. You guys look at this. Look at skin now. Skin like milk. Skin like milk. You know. So this is so beautiful. Oh my god. So this can serve as a support light or when I'm outside for an event, and it has two different mood. I can change it to something like this. But you guys, I love, love, love. And it's rechargeable. It's rechargeable. Different frames you can add to it. So it has like rainbow colors frame on it. Oh, this is nice. And for my final surprise, you guys. Finally. So guys, I finally got the Sofito 300 RGB lights. So before I got this light, I was actually confused a bit because I didn't actually know that it has like two different colors.